Wow, look at our school garden. It's so beautiful. Yeah, but I think we can make it even better. Let's plant some seeds today. Of course, the more the merrier. Together we can plant a whole garden.
Hello, kids. Are you ready for a fun adventure in planting?
Yes, we are. What do we need to do?
First, let's learn about the different seeds and how to plant them.
Look, there are sunflower seeds, carrot seeds, and even pumpkin seeds. Which ones should we plant first?
Let's start with sunflowers for the bright, happy colors.
Dig the holes. Gather the tools and water for us.
Fantastic job, teamwork. Look how many seeds we planted.
Yes, and we can even create a garden club.
Caring for our plants is as important as planting them.
Tomorrow we should come back and water them. And check if they've started growing.
You all did wonderfully today. Remember, teamwork makes everything better.
Today was the best day. Thank you, Mr. Green.